Welcome back to the channel everyone, it's Charlotte and today I'm going to be talking you through another one of our brand new arrivals, which is the Dreamer D68 Sapphire Edition. So the D68 is 6.36 metres in length. It's 3.5 tonne as well, so you can drive it on the standard driving licence. It is a factory built fan conversion, so if you are looking for something that has that spacious feel and easy manoeuvrability, this could be the one for you. So it's a 20th anniversary edition as well, which makes it special. You've got your lovely metallic paint finish on the outside alongside your red decals. As standard, you've got your twin AGM Leisure batteries as well as your 150 watt solar panel. We're not short for storage in the D68 either. It's actually a really clever concept as well, where they've added in some shelving. You can of course take that out if you wish. You've got two 30-volt socket back here, and you've also got an external shower point. To the other side we have our external gas point. We've got our two-tone alloys, and we've also got our strip light for the awning light. So guys, if you are into your gadgets, this vehicle does come with the comfort pack and the select pack, so it gives you a lot of specification up here. Talking in front of me, we've got our leather multifunctional steering wheel. You've got your adaptive cruise control built into that. You've got your hands-free for your Bluetooth. You've got an electric parking brake. You've got your keyless start as well. The cockpit is all fully digital. You've your automatic drive. You've got your induction smartphone charger built in here too. You've got your lane keep assist. There's Pioneer infotainment system built in there with your CarPlay and your Android Auto. Stepping into the living space, I'm sure you can see how premium and luxury the Dreamer brand does really feel. You've got your full leather upholstery finish. You've got your panoramic sky view just above me there, but it does let all the natural light come in, and it does make such a difference. Our third and our fourth seat belt are here. This table drops down and makes up into an extra berth. You can extend it out as well if you do have more people sitting around there. You also have your swivel TV bracket too, so you can use it for the front lounge. You can actually use it for the bedroom area. You can turn it around the other way. Into the kitchen area, we do have such a smart concept here, and Dreamer really have utilised the storage that we have. You've got huge cupboards just underneath your sink and your 2-ring burner. You also have a grill, and you've storage at the other side. I know you can't see it from this angle, but you've 2 additional cupboards there. You've got your lovely matte black finish on your sink, and beside that is our 2-ring gas burner. So guys, we really didn't lack in the bathroom. We've got a huge space here, and we also have a sliding door, so your sink is built into this as well as your little mirror. Now this all comes across and closes the toilet and the sink off and gives you that huge space for showering. At the back is our single bed layout. Now we've got USB ports at the back, and as well as this we've got our multimedia system, so if you do feel like having a little boogie at the back of the van, happy days. You've got your storage as well. The bed does fold up at each side, so say for instance you have your bikes or stuff you need to store in the back, you can tuck the beds out of the way. That was a walk through our Dreamer D68. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more details about the vehicle, go onto our website. It's thompsonleisure.com. If you'd like to arrange to come down and view our new 2026 stock, give us a wee call on 028 9269 3999, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and give us a follow.